Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard candy in molds. First, gather your essential ingredients: 2 cups of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/2 cup of water. You will also need your chosen flavorings and food coloring. Next, prepare your silicone molds by ensuring they are perfectly clean and dry. Finally, have your candy thermometer, a heavy-bottomed saucepan, and a heat-resistant spatula with an easy reach for a smooth process. Now let's get cooking. Combine your 2 cups of sugar, 3/4 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/2 cup of water in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Stir this mixture gently over medium heat until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring. Allow the syrup to boil steadily, without any further stirring, until your candy thermometer registers precisely 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This critical temperature, and under the hood, these SUVs differ significantly. The Murano typically boasts a robust 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering approximately 260 horsepower for strong acceleration and confident highway cruising. In contrast, the Rogue usually features a more modern and efficient 1.5-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged engine, which produces about 201 horsepower. This difference means the Murano offers more raw power, while the Rogue prioritizes a balance of performance and efficiency. Now for the fun part, pouring. Carefully and quickly pour the hot candy mixture into your prepared silicone molds. Fill each cavity almost to the top, but be mindful of the heat. Once all molds are filled, allow the candies to cool completely at room temperature. This usually takes at least 30 minutes or until they are firm to the touch. Once fully hardened, gently pop your beautiful hard candies out of their molds. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.